Now today we are going to learn about refraction of light. So before going to the topic, first we must know some phenomena of refraction. So we have now to investigate what happens when light goes from one medium to another. Does it move along the same straight line or change its direction? Let us recall some our day-to-day observations. We consider a thick glass slab. This is the case when a thick glass slab is placed over a printed page. The letters appear raised when viewed through the glass slab. And next case is a coin in a glass tumbler filled with water appears to be raised when seen from above the water. And then next case is a lemon kept in a glass when viewed from the sides appears to be bigger than its actual size. And next is a pencil partly immersed in water appears to be bent at the interface of air and water. So these are the phenomena. These are the phenomena of refraction of light. So now if we consider the case of experiment of pencil and water, we can see pencil bend at the interface. For example, apparent bending of pencil at the interface of air and water shows that light reaching us from the portion of the pencil inside water is in different direction. Than the light reaching us from the portion of pencil above water. So this is the interface of air and water. Suppose it is a pencil. You can see that pencil bend at the interface like this. Pencil bend at the interface. So position of the pencils above water and below water are different because of the refraction. So this phenomenon is refraction. For similar reasons, letters appear raised when viewed through a glass slab. So letter appear raised. If you put a glass slab on the printed page, you can see the letter rise up. So what is the reason? The reason is due to the refraction. A coin in a glass tumbler filled with water appears raised. This is also due to refraction. And a lemon kept in a glass slab viewed from the side appears bigger than the actual size. So this is also the phenomenon of refraction. Further, we observe that the extent of the effect is different for different pair of media. So different media has different refraction. So different media has different refractions. In case of water, pencil bend at the interface. In case of glass slab, printed letter rise up. In case of coin rise up, and lemon is bigger. So these are the phenomena of refraction. Now we will be able to define what is refraction of light. So refraction of light is the phenomenon of change in the path of light in going from one medium to another. Light goes from one medium to another, it changes its path, is called refraction of light. Thus, refraction of light is the phenomenon of bending of light. Refraction of light means the phenomenon of bending of light from its original path. From its original path on entering the another medium. Light bends from one medium to light changes its path when it goes from one medium to another. So the refraction occurs right at the boundary of the two media. Suppose if we have interface, any interface, we can take glass, water, now this is the interface of two media. It is air and it is glass medium. Suppose we consider glass slab. Now it is the incident ray. This is incident ray. From this interface, light changes its path, means it bends. So this ray is called refracted ray. Refracted ray. Now this is the phenomenon of refraction. Now this point is called the point of incident. Point of incident or point of refraction. If you consider glass slab, so above glass slab there is air medium, below the glass slab below the glass slab there is also air medium. If glass slab is in space, so light enters from air medium. It follows a straight path till interface. So after interface, light changes its path. Means this is the refraction. This is the refraction. Okay, thank you. This much for today. From next class, we will be doing velocity, refractive index of different pair of media.